You searched how to buy shares of Cronos Group Inc. Cronos is a global company in the regulated cannabis sector listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CRON. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy CRON, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CRON to find Cronos Group Inc. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing from the results. Open the Cronos Group Inc. stock page to view basic company details and a price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker match before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to spend. Review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your CRON position will appear in your portfolio. For more details and the platform link, see the description below.